Nowadays, becoming a billionaire is easier than ever. All you need is to implement AI in such a way that it's never been done before. What does it take? A lot of pre-planning and market research. But keep in mind that this is still a growing market and you can turn the tables for you with much less effort as compared to any other business. There are companies that have already achieved this before. Some tap directly into AI, while others used it to revolutionize their products and services. So let's get you some motivation to start your AI business by looking at the AI companies that you should watch out for in 2023. Let's begin by discussing a company called Symbotic, which has garnered attention as many fellow YouTubers in the same niche discussed in their videos. The company's mission coincides with both AI and Industry 5.0, which in my opinion gives it a golden pass into the list of top AI companies of this year. But what are they doing? Symbotic is trying to transform the realm of warehouse automation and supply chain optimization. They envision a future where warehouses operate seamlessly, with robots effortlessly navigating through aisles, executing tasks with precision and speed. What sets Symbotic apart from its competitors is their extensive experience in developing highly advanced autonomous robotic solutions, a journey spanning over a decade. These robots are specifically designed to handle even the most complex warehouse operations, ranging from picking and sorting to placing items on racks. I've made a video on industries that are on the hit list of AI, and as I was researching for this video, I realized that you are in great danger if you are a warehouse worker. But we have seen such companies before. So what truly distinguishes Symbotic is their proprietary software platform. This powerful platform leverages state-of-the-art algorithms and machine learning to optimize every facet of warehouse management. It is pretty much akin to having a collective intelligence guiding the robots, enabling them to make intelligent decisions and adapt to the ever-evolving dynamics of the warehouse environment. Symbotic's technology promises unmatched efficiency and accuracy to warehouse operations. In my view, if this technology can scale, it has the potential to revolutionize the industry. Companies from various sectors, including retail giants and e-commerce leaders, will embrace Symbotic solutions, experiencing significant gains in productivity and supply chain optimization. Keep in mind that during the pandemic, we all witnessed the negative impacts on warehouses where labor was scarce and inventory management struggled to keep pace. This prompted major companies to explore ways to automate warehouse operations as a necessity. During that time, companies were even flying warehouse workers from distant locations and paying them nearly $100 an hour to keep their operations running. I firmly believe in automating as much as possible in the supply chain to avoid these challenges we faced during the COVID years. It's important to note that past performance doesn't guarantee future results. With that said, Symbotic is currently trading at $37.95. While it may seem a bit inflated for immediate investment, it's certainly a company to keep an eye on, given its year-to-date growth of 214%. Now let's shift our focus to the competition. Symbotic isn't the sole player in this field. Companies like Amazon Robotics, Fetch Robotics, and Locus Robotics are also making significant strides. But as I told you, Symbotic's holistic approach, embarking upon emphasis on highly autonomous robots along with their sophisticated software platform, sets them apart from the rest of the pack. The next company on our list is my personal favorite, AMD. The company focuses upon semiconductor and microprocessor powerhouse with a history dating back to 1969. AMD distinguishes itself through its pioneering processor technology, emerging as the sole true rival to Intel over the years. In fact, for most of the time in the past 5 years, they have been either dominating the game or competing neck-to-neck with their arch rivals. Their impact on the market has been profound thanks to innovations such as the Ryzen processors and EPYC server processors. These offerings deliver remarkable performance, energy efficiency, and affordability. It's worth noting that without AMD's presence, Intel might have established a monopoly in the industry years ago. AMD played a pivotal role in the creation of the world's first exascale computer, Frontier. This remarkable computer can perform a mind-boggling 2 quintillion calculations per second. Its primary mission revolves around advancing AI, research, and analytics, particularly in areas like complex modeling, potential medical breakthroughs, biomedical data, climate science, and material science. Interestingly, AMD shares common ground with NVIDIA and other firms in the realm of data center server-grade CPUs and GPUs. By emphasizing performance, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness, AMD becomes an appealing choice for data center operators and cloud service providers seeking to expand their AI infrastructure. Nonetheless, what truly sets AMD apart is its unwavering commitment pushing the boundaries of performance while maintaining budget-friendly solutions. As of now, AMD's stock price is trading at $110.74, boasting an impressive year-to-date growth of 73.1%. However, AMD doesn't operate in isolation. It faces fierce competition from formidable rivals like Intel and NVIDIA. Since we are discussing AMD, there's no way we can ignore NVIDIA, because lately, the biggest supporter supporting hand in terms of hardware for AI developments was provided by the GPU monopolies. This is a huge reason why AI developers across the globe have a strong affinity for NVIDIA's processors. You will be blown away by the fact that demands experienced 170% increase in revenue for the current quarter, totaling around $16 billion. NVIDIA stock initially surged more than 2% on Thursday, but eventually leveled off, missing an all-time high close despite a challenging day for the broader market. On the other side of the coin, AMD, NVIDIA's primary competitor in the GPU market, finds itself falling further behind, while industry giant Intel continues to lag in embracing this burgeoning technology trend. Following NVIDIA's second quarter fiscal results, shares of both AMD and Intel saw declines of 7% and 4% respectively. But still, with AMD's plans, it's hard to write the company off this list. NVIDIA's outstanding performance and executives' indications of sustained high demand into the following year have prompted investors to question whether any serious competition exists for the production of GPUs required to build and operate large AI models. NVIDIA's success also reflects a shift in the data center chip market, where the pivotal, often priciest component of a data center expansion no longer relies on GPUs from Intel or AMD. Instead, it's the AI accelerating GPUs that major cloud companies like Alphabet, Amazon, Meta, and Microsoft are eagerly acquiring. Yet, we are waiting to see if they are actually better than AMD or Intel. The profits, though, have skyrocketed. These next-generation NVIDIA processors have proven so profitable that the company's adjusted gross margin increased by a remarkable 25.3 percentage points, reaching 71.2% in the specified period. The next company I'm going to talk about is Upstart, which operates in the financial lending sector with a strong commitment to making the loan process faster, fairer, and more accessible to everyone. They achieve this goal by harnessing artificial intelligence and machine learning to revolutionize the loan approval process. Instead of relying solely on traditional credit scores, Upstart analyzes extensive data, allowing them to provide more precise assessments and assist a broader range of individuals in obtaining the loans they require. Think of it as opening doors to financial opportunities for a more diverse group of people. For instance, Upstart highlights that 80% of Americans have never defaulted on a loan, yet less than half have access to prime credit. They believe that by using a smaller credit model, nearly twice as many borrowers could be approved with fewer defaults. And to my surprise, this approach has held up well. All of that aside, they also claim that their model could result in 173% more approvals while maintaining the same default rate as traditional banking models. With Upstart, it's not merely about securing a loan, it's about promoting financial inclusivity and enabling more people to pursue their dreams. As per reports that are almost 2 months old, Upstart stock is trading at $29.53, and it has seen a remarkable 129% increase year to date. Nevertheless, Upstart faces a significant challenge in the highly competitive financial market, where well-established players like traditional banks and other fintech companies operate. This company is a true demagogue. I admire how they're disrupting the industry and challenging the conventional processes and institutions that provide loans. After Upstart, it's again time to talk about a company whose products I use personally. It's none other than Atlassian, a software company renowned for its collaboration and productivity tools. They offer a comprehensive suite of user-friendly solutions, from Jira for project management to Confluence for team documentation and communication. Atlassian empowers teams to streamline workflows and enhance productivity, fostering real-time communication and eliminating the chaos of scattered documents. Despite operating in a competitive market, their unique focus on purpose-built collaboration tools sets them apart. Atlassian is currently trading at $163, with a year-to-date growth of 29.2%. The two companies that I just discussed break the nuance that only hardcore tech-related companies can reap the benefits by leveraging AI. The last company I would like to discuss today is Qualcomm. Now, we all know what they do. For those who don't, most Android phones use their chipset, and they are ruling the 5G game. They are also trying to notch their profits up by tapping into edge computing. Qualcomm's chipsets, designed for low power consumption and high performance, are well suited for edge AI applications. As we just discussed, most leading smartphone manufacturers rely on Qualcomm's chipsets to power their flagship devices. As devices continue to evolve, Qualcomm remains in high demand. Currently, Qualcomm stock is trading at $114.88, with a year-to-date increase of 7%. Subscribe to AI Symbiosis for more news from the world of AI. I've made a video discussing how quantum computing can change the AI game forever. Click on the video link popping up, and I will catch you there in a second.